Deacon on his balance bike. He's had it a couple weeks now. Keep going. Let's go all the way up to the stop sign. This is Daddy and Deacon's first bike ride together. We're both riding our bikes. Don't stop. You're doing good. You having fun, buddy? Yeah. I'm making a video. I'm going to show Grandpa and Grandma. Show her how fast you can go. Can you pick your feet up? Woo! That's good balance, buddy. He likes to stop right in front of me, so I gotta be careful. Keep going. Oh, stop sign. What do we do? Stop. All right, let's go. No cars.